Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And finally people, we got a couple of cases for the Galaxy Note 9. Now heads up, just so you know, I normally don't put a case on my smartphone. I know you're all going to say I'm crazy, but listen, my phone does not like to be cased. It loves being butt naked. That's just to let you know. But also sometimes we do like accessorizing, but more so we buy the cases to do reviews just in case you are looking for a nice case. And I just don't pick any case. I hand pick my cases. That's why it took me a while, because I wanted something different, something unique. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check this out. We can only review one case at a time. So we put that one aside. We'll put this aside. And we're going to take a look at this plastic TPU case. Now, this is by Hontech. Now, both cases I got off of Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can go ahead and check this out. Okay? Now, I paid $10.99 for this case. And it comes in other colors. It comes in like an aqua blue, a blue. It comes in black, pink, gold. They got quite a few colors to choose from, which isn't bad. Of course, there's red, and I chose this red because I have the ocean blue, but it really looked good in black if you have a black phone, and I'm almost positive they got this for the Galaxy Note 8. So I got my cutout for my camera, my fingerprint scanner, of course, my buttons, and the bottom. And I got it because it looked like it had an elegant look in spite of the fact that it's plastic. It's flexible, and this is something different for me. Normally I don't go for something like this. I go for something a lot harder, something that's going to feel solid in my hand. But this really looked good to me online, so I decided to go ahead and check it out. $10, $11 is not a bad deal at all. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's check this out. Let's put the phone in the case and see if everything lines up and how it looks. Now, get your buttons. Up front, I need to let you know that this is not plated, right? This is plastic. It's colored. This is colored. So we're going to see how long that lasts, you know, if it's going to fade in a week. If it does, we send in this case right back through Amazon. But yes, I like this. This looks good. I was going for this, right, because it looks red on the front. Normally, I try to get a red case, a black case, and a blue case. So with this one, it seems like everything lines up, okay? We're going to check out the buttons, right? So let's cut it on, and let's check the power button. Cut it off. Okay, fine. And let's check the volume. Volume button works. Not bad. And let's check the Bixby button. Of course, Bixby works. We need to cut Bixby off. Okay, but it feels good in the hand. Nice, solid plastic, and it does pick up fingerprints, people. I'm not going to hide that from you. Fingerprints, it will pick up, but it definitely still looks good with this blue. That red ties in really, really nice. Gives it sort of an elegant look. I like it. I like it. The weight of it isn't bad. It feels really good in the hand. Doesn't feel really slippery like if you were actually holding the phone itself. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner as well. Let's make sure that we can put our finger in there, and with no problem, it opens it right up. All right, so this isn't bad. I thought this was definitely a good look for the price. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? So let's check it out. We got to check this out too, because we want to make sure that it charges with the case, because it says it does, and that's what we're looking for. Because we want to charge it with the case on, because we may be on the run. We don't want to always have to take our phone out of the case. So as you can see, it does work. Not a bad deal, people. Check this one out. All right, so let's check out the next case. Case number 2. This one is nice. This one is a PU leather back cover case. Now, this one here holds your credit cards, your ID, your license, whatever you want to hold in here. This is like your wallet. This is not a bad deal. It has a leather feel to it. I don't know if this is genuine leather, but I do like the feel of the material. I like that this is strong, so you can fit like 2 IDs, 2 credit cards in these. Now, I simply use this on vacations and to go to work. Sometimes I don't like the way my wallet feels in my pocket. It's bulky. It makes me uncomfortable when I'm driving, but especially on vacation, you know, I could carry a light load with taking this case. I just take what I need and I'm on the go. Okay, so looking at it, the inside is really, really soft, so it's going to feel good on your case. It's not going to scar your case up at all. This again has a leather feel to it, which is going to be easy on the glass as well when you slide it on. As you can see, there's an opening. There's an opening here, so there's no full protection. So if you're into full body armor, then this is probably going to be the wrong case for you. You have your camera cut out, your cutout for your fingerprint scanner. Again, I really like the feel of this. It's not a bad deal for the price. But let's go ahead. let's throw the case in here so you can see how it looks with the case in. And this is how it looks. Not bad. Now this is how the back looks. I like the way that blue shines out on this brown. It's not a bad deal. Let's see if I can get to my fingerprint scanner with no problem. Not at all. Camera placement is cut out just perfectly. Your button placement is cut out, just out completely. Out completely. Again, this is fully unprotected. Fully unprotected. But again, I don't drop my phone like that, so I'm good. I don't know about you people, but hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of these cases. I thought they were really nice. I thought it was worth the price. Again, I left the link in the description down below. If you liked the video, please go ahead, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.